More than 500 million people uses WhatsApp daily. WhatsApp is a common app which is installed in almost every smartphone. But now, due to the new privacy policy update, WhatsApp started losing its users. Lot of people are shifting from WhatsApp to Telegram or Signal. Well, which messaging app is best and safe to use? WhatsApp, Telegram or Signal? If you want to know, then please watch this video till the end. Now let's compare all these three apps, and at the end of the video I will give you a conclusion so that you will be clear about which app to use. So first let's begin with security. When it comes to WhatsApp, WhatsApp offers end-to-end encryption, which means that all your messages, video calls, voice calls, photos and anything else you share on WhatsApp chats are end-to-end encrypted. You and the receiver are the only people who can see the information that you send to them. And when it comes to Telegram, Telegram does offer some security features but not as WhatsApp offer. Telegram supports end-to-end encryption but it is not enabled by default. The only way to use end-to-end encryption on Telegram is to use its secret chats feature. Messages or any media sent in secret chat are end-to-end encrypted, but while the regular chats are not end-to-end encrypted. Now if we talk about Signal, Signal is by far the best messaging app when it comes to security. Believe it or not, Signal goes one step further than WhatsApp and encrypts even your metadata. Let me give you a simple example of metadata. If I send any photo on WhatsApp, due to end-to-end encryption, no other person except me and receiver can see that image. But with the help of the metadata of that image, an IT professional or anyone who have knowledge about science and technology can know the color depth, the image resolution, when the image was created, the camera manufacturer, etc. So Signal encrypts even your metadata but not WhatsApp. No one will able to know, not even Signal, who is messaging to whom and what they are messaging. Now let's compare the data collected by these three apps. According to the new privacy policy, WhatsApp collects your phone model, location, battery status, IP address, WhatsApp usage, phone number, email address, contacts, payment info and etc. While Telegram collects contact info, contacts and user ID, but Signal collects none. The only personal data Signal stores is your phone number. Now let's compare the features offered by these three apps. WhatsApp offers almost every feature you might need. You get support for group chats with up to 256 members. You can also broadcast messages to multiple contacts at the same time. You can share live location, and also WhatsApp offers a feature that neither Telegram offers nor Signal. I am talking about WhatsApp status. Every WhatsApp user loves this feature. While WhatsApp offers most of the features you would need, Telegram is basically overloaded with the features. Unlike WhatsApp's 256 members group limit, Telegram brings support for groups with up to 2 lakhs members. The size limit for sharing files on Telegram is 2 GB. You can send any photo or video without losing its quality, and also you can send any type of files, even APKs. But there is no status feature. While Signal beats Telegram and WhatsApp when it comes to security, but when it comes to features, it cannot beat WhatsApp or Telegram. You don't have the feature to share status updates, you don't have the option to broadcast messages, there is no star messages in chat, you can't see who is online and etc. But Signal offers some privacy features that neither WhatsApp offers nor Telegram. Signal has a built-in option to hide your IP address. You can enable incognito keyboard while typing and blur faces and private information from images using its powerful photo editor. Now finally, let's move on to the conclusion. If you want ultimate privacy or security, then go for Signal. And if you don't want that much ultimate privacy or security, but still you want a medium security or privacy, then you can go for Telegram and then at last WhatsApp. If you want a messaging app which has all the required basic features, then go for WhatsApp. If you want a messaging app which has a lots of features, then go for Telegram. And if you want a messaging app which has some good privacy features, then you can go for Signal. But there is one important thing. Almost everyone uses WhatsApp, your friends or people who you may know. So if you uninstall WhatsApp and use Telegram or Signal, then it is very difficult to communicate with the people who you know. because not everyone uninstalled WhatsApp. So now decision is up to you. So guys, still if you have any doubts, then do comment. If you find this video useful, then like and share the video. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.